Straight up to the air. There you go. Hold it up like that, yeah.
Keep it tight.
Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep reeling. Just take your time. Big ass salmon. Big ass salmon. Holy cow. Big silver. No. You have to go up there. You have to go up there. So get fight him. Few steps up the side deck. Let him belly up. Let him belly up. You're fine. Keep that up. Yeah. Keep the rod up. Keep it up. Keep it up high. Keep it up high. Yeah, keep the tip high. There you go.
Did you lift them off?
No.